how are you today? And welcome to Letscookolet. In today's episode, I have special things to make for your special one because this is going to be for Valentine's Day. So I wish every couple out there a happy Valentine's Day. And plus it's my 100 episode, number 100 episode. So today I decided to make nice pizza heart shape, and it's gonna be amazing with the stuffed crust with something sweet. So you watch it, you follow it, you're gonna love it. So before we start stretching the dough, we're gonna prepare the topping first. We'll prepare all the topping and then we'll move on and we'll start with the dough. So first I'm gonna start with the pepperoni. I'm gonna place them about 5-6 pieces, and you can use the knife or you can use one of these dough cutter, which is the heart shape. You put it, you press on it, and you get it released from the other side. And perfect. Now you have the heart shape pepperoni, as you can see. So we're gonna do all of it. We have all the pepperoni ready. Let me put them on the bowl, in the bowl here. And I'm gonna work on the we're gonna work on the pizza sauce. Pizza sauce is going to be very easy and a super yummy pizza sauce to make. I have marinara sauce, store-bought marinara sauce, tomato paste, oregano, granulated garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and now we're gonna give it a nice mix. Good to go. Let's see. Amazing. Let's put it on the side. Now let's work on the cheese. So pretty much I'm mixing 3/4 mozzarella cheese and 1/4 Havarti cheese. Give it a little mix, and now let's save it in a bowl and put it on the side, and we're gonna work on the crust stuffing, which is the crust stuffing is gonna be Nutella and banana. That's gonna be interesting. We're gonna cut the banana peel. Here we go. Now we're gonna slice it in half. Slice it in half again. Turn it and slice it 3 pieces. Cherry tomato, it's an optional. Actually, it's not cherry tomato. This is a grape tomato because it's a little longer than a cherry tomato. And what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna cut it a V cut. Turn and slice. So we're gonna do all of it. V shape, slice in half, and good to go. So pretty much now we have everything's ready for the pizza. Now it's the fun time. Now we're gonna stretch the dough, cut it a heart shape, stuff the crust, put the sauce and the ingredients and cook. So let's put everything on the side, and let's bring our dough here. Look at that beautiful dough. So spread the flour around. Now you keep stretching the dough till it's almost perfect round and almost about 15 inch, and I have here 15-inch pizza tray. Now I'm gonna transfer the dough on the tray here and stretch it to be even on the edges. Now we're gonna fold the dough in half moon. Voila. Now we're gonna cut it the heart shape. So you start here about like 3 inch down, and then you round it up. Now we're going to straight up the edges. So I'm gonna cut a little bit from the edges, and when it comes to here, you're gonna go a little sharper. Here we go. So now let's get rid of those. Now open the dough And you have that lovely heart shape. Now I'm gonna go about 2 inches in, and I'm gonna apply some water so when we fold the crust it stick together. So you can see the water in. Now we're gonna apply the banana. Perfect. Almost done with the banana. Here we go. The Nutella right on top the chocolate, right on top the banana. And if you want to impress your loved one, you better put a little work. Voila. Now let's start folding. Here we go. Just press it a little bit down, and we're gonna use a fork so it can guarantee seal the crust. Nice. Here we go. Now let's apply the pizza sauce. Perfect. The cheese. Tomato, I'm gonna put it right on the edge. Voila. Tomato, it's done. It's a pepperoni time. Voila. Now they're ready. Now I need a little bit tiny water and go on the edges. And I'm going for a little bit sesame on the crust. You remember, you have to be a little creative. You're gonna impress your loved one, right? Beautiful. Now make sure your oven on the 500 and ready to go in the oven, and I can't wait to see the result. Look at that beautiful heart. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this lovely pizza. Lovely. Look at the stuffed crust, banana and Nutella. Wow. You have a bite in the middle. Amazing, tasty pizza. You ended up with the crust stuffed with Nutella and banana. Amazing dessert. You want to impress your loved one, you better start making this at home for Valentine's. So happy Valentine's Day everyone out there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.